Now we will show you how to mount the plate. Small plates can be mounted in this way. For big plate, we suggest using plate mounting machine. First, open the double-sided tape. The back of the plate is glued to the double-sided tape. Press it. After pressing, remove the bubbles inside. Remove the excess double-sided tape. Each plate has a sign. Dig out the double-sided tape on the back of the sign. On the back you can see +. Next we will show you how to mount the plate. First, wipe the surface of the plate roller clean first. There are +. On the roller. +. Signs correspond to each other. Measure the distance from the material to the gear first. Once the distance is determined, the position of the plate can be determined. Find the right distance + sign. Align the plate. This must be mounted accurately. If it is not accurate, it will affect the registration. Then press the plate. Make the double-sided tape stick firmly. Seal all the sides with electrical tape. Prevent ink from seeping in. Finally, put rings on both sides of the plate roller. This is only suitable for small plate mounting. For large plates, it is recommended to use a plate mounter